Welcome back to my channel, gorgeous people. Hope you're all having an amazing day. Hope you have an amazing week as well. Thank you all for your likes. I thank you for your comments. Thank you for your subscriptions. Thank you to my old and my new subscribers. I appreciate you all. God bless you all. For today's tutorial, it's my very simple blue eyeshadow makeup, like very simple, like everyday kind of look. If you just want to look a little bit glam and easy to go, bam bam bam. Yes, please, if you would like to see how I achieve this look, please do continue watching. And if you like this video, could you please give it a thumbs up? If you haven't subscribed yet, could you please subscribe and turn on your notification bell as well in order for you to know whenever I upload.
There comes a time in every man's life.
So I already did my brows off the camera. I used the brow gel by Bellapierre. I'll put the name down below for you guys to see, and I'll be priming my eyes with the Urban Decay primer, which I already did off the camera. And those are the two eyeshadow palette that I'll be using. The one by Anastasia Beverly, I used that palette almost every day, Monday to Friday when I go to work. That's why some of them are completely running out. So for my first transition color, I'll be using the shade that is called Fudge, F-U-D-G-E, if I call it right, Fudge. So that's the one I'll be using as my transition color, the first one. And I went ahead and picked up a clean brush to blend the ash line so it won't be ash. And I move on with the second shade from the same palette, which is called Rowdy. That shade from the Anastasia Beverly palette, the Rowdy, that's the one I'm coming in now. It's a little bit dark, it's not black, but it looks like black, but I'll say it's dark brown. That's the shade, and it's called Rowdy. Also, I went ahead and picked up another brush to blend, blend. That's all I was doing, just to blend it out so that it won't be too strong, that ash line won't be there. Then I move ahead and I pick up the one that is called All Star, and I use that to blend the ash line from Rowdy out. Okay? Yo, this eyeshadow is long time ago by Black Opal. They don't even carry this anymore, but I still have them in my makeup palette. So I'll be picking the blue one among the three, and I'll be using that at the remaining part of my eyelid. That is where the blue came in, as in pop out, stand out, and make the look, a lot more easy and fun for me to do. I would like to give a shout out to Miss Young Odette. She gave me this liquid eyeliner that I'm using. It's part of the gift I got from a giveaway. I won a giveaway, and this eyeliner, my god, it's really good. It glides on smoothly. The pointed tips make it easier for me to use, and the dark black is so rich. I'm very comfortable. Thank you so much, Miss Odette. If you're watching this video, thank you so much. I appreciate you. God bless you. Also, the eyelashes is also part of the gift that I got from the gift giveaway box. I did the other one off the camera, and this is the first time I'm actually applying my false lashes on the camera. I'm much more comfortable using my finger to fingertips, nail tip to fix my false lashes. I don't really want to use tweezer. Of course, when I'm working on someone, I really want to use tweezer if the person is not comfortable for me to use my fingers. Okay. So in order not to waste a lot of time, I went off the camera and applied my foundation. The foundation that I used by Milani, Conceal plus Perfect 2-in-1 foundation plus concealer, and I move ahead and highlight by concealer by Tarte, and also I use the contour sticks by Fenty to contour. So there I came in with an eye pencil by Estee Lauder. Is blue. I use it to line my inner eye ring, and I'm coming in with Health blush, and I'll be setting my entire face with the setting spray by Art Candy. I'm still going to talk about this in the future. I really love it, and it's very affordable. This is the new one that they just released. I'll be talking more about it in the future. And I went ahead and lined my lips with a pencil by Kiss. It's pink, of course, and the lipstick that I'll be using today is by Black Opal. I'll put the names of all this down below, or I'll put it on the screen, whichever one that is comfortable for me. The highlighter that I use is by BH Cosmetics. It's called the Spotlight.
Baby, you want banger, banger, baba. You can never stop from spinning, baba.
So this is the outfit part of the entire video. I just throw in some pink pants with a blue navy blue shirt, is coat shoulder with some blue accessories with gold detailings, and my shoes are clear. Also my purse is also clear. Anyway, I hope you all enjoy watching this video. Let me know what you think down below. Please like, share and subscribe if you haven't subscribed. Thank you all so much for watching, and please don't forget to turn your notification bell as well. Thank you all so much for watching, and I will see you all in my next video. Stay blessed. Bye bye.